Hi, Crafty Friends. It's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? It is actually Sunday, 3 o'clock, and I figure I do the unboxing. Why not? Why not do it at this time? And Bella's downstairs just resting, which is good because when she's up here, she starts to bark. Anyway, so today we're going to do an unboxing from Rhinestone Goddess Creations. It's a big one, so I actually took it out of the bag, and it's here. And so let me just show you very quickly. It does come with a sticker sheet, so you could actually put this in your logbook. It goes the picture, you put the start date, the end date, and it does come with pre-cut stickers. There's 59 colors. So as you can see, it's got 1 through 9, and then it's got some alphabets, uppercase, and then the rest are just symbols. Okay, and by looking at this, it has 3 ABs. So in ABs are, it stands for Aurora Borealis. It's just a drill with an extra shine. All right, so let's put that aside for now. It's absolutely beautiful painting. Okay, so here it is. Wow, it is big, guys. So up here, it's got the logo, Rhinestone Goddess Creation, and then it's got 2 legends. Okay, I'm just move all this out of the way. I need all the space. Okay, so it's got a legend on the, oh, gotta move it more over here. It's got a legend on the upper left-hand side, and then it also has another legend on the lower right-hand side. Okay, and so by looking at the legend, it's got 3 rows. So if you look at the first row, it tells you there's 59 colors. The middle is are the symbols, and the third row is the DMC code. Okay, and then like I mentioned before, the ABs are in the bottom. Okay, all right. So let's look at here over here at the bottom. It says Rhinestone Goddess 22 at yahoo.com. I guess that's where you find her. Or find them, www.rhinestonegoddesscreations.com. And then over here, you've got, again, the picture. This was called Deep Dreams number 3, because when you go and find this painting, there's actually 6 different choices that you can pick from. And so I picked number 3. Okay, and the artist is by LaVanGhost. And this one is a 75 centimeters by 75 centimeters. Okay, and it's again from Rhinestone Goddess Creations. Isn't this a beauty? Okay, like I said, it's called Deep Dreams. Now with this painting, this one is 75 by 75, but when I went back on the website, I noticed that they don't have the size anymore. They have a 70 by 70, and they offer a 60 by 60, but you get to choose which one you want. And you could also select the drill type. So this one, I believe I selected a round because rounds are my favorite, but you could also select a square. And you could also select if you want a round with 3 ABs and some shimmer drills, or you can pick all 5 ABs, round, or round 5 shimmer drills. And shimmer drills is the same thing as fairy dust diamonds, but she calls them shimmer drills. And basically it's a drill that has like a subtle shimmer to it, which is very nice. Okay, so you have lots of choices, which is nice. Okay, so let's look at this beauty. She's obviously, I don't know if she's daydreaming, but it is called Deep Dreams. And she has this beautiful, like flowing, her hair looks like it's, looks like it's tied back, but it looks also like it's loose. And it's like, it has like blue colors on it, a little bit of brown, a little bit of white or gray. But she's absolutely stunning. And everything around her, I'm not sure if that's what she's dreaming about, but she's like in a dream state. So you've got lots of flowers on her head. And then you also have some like beads. Like I'll bring it up so you can see it. And then there's also some birds. So you see swirls. I think that this is feathers. I'm not sure what this is, if that's a heart. Lots of swirls. Over here, more swirls, flowers, more flowers. And I think this is a bird. So I can see the eye, I can see the wings. And I think this is another bird. I did see another bird earlier. Not sure. Maybe this is, I I think this is a bird too, actually. So I think there's 3 birds. And yeah, I love it. And it's actually very clear, the symbols. So I'll bring it up so you can see. And what else I was going to say? The only thing that I wish they would change is the plastic. The plastic, I just wish it was a little thicker. There's nothing wrong with this, but it would be nice if the plastic was a little thicker. I like thicker plastics. All right, so I'm just going to bring it up so you can see it. How clear it is. Look at that. Look at the symbols. So there you see, it looks like a heart, but I'm not sure. Then you've got all kinds of flowers, some swirls. I think this is a bird up here. I'm not sure. And then look at that face. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Then see here, these are like beads, like hanging from her hair. More swirls. More flowers. Then down here, again, just super, super decorative. Okay, let me just move it over here so you can see. I think this is a bird. Hopefully I'm not making you dizzy. And I think this is another bird. I'm not sure. But it's absolutely stunning, guys. I love this painting. All right, so I'm going to bring out the drills. And this part, if you like, you can skip if you don't want to see the drills. But I think it's nice to see the drills, to see what we have. All right, and the drills do come, it looks like they're in numerical order, which is nice. And they also come in these baggies, so you could actually leave them in this bag, in these baggies. But if you don't want to, you could actually take them out and put them in containers. Okay, supposedly this, I believe, is, yeah, resin drills, which is nice. So yeah, I'm gonna take them out, and I guess I could just open it right now. It is in order. Sorry for the noise. Wow. Right, and I'm only going to show you where the special drills go on the painting, but I will show you the colors very quickly. Let's see. If I look at this, this tells me what number this is. All right. So, and I'm going to need the light a little closer so we can see the colors a little better. I'm not sure of that. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So this one is 152. Let's see. I think you can see them right there. This one is 160. 169. It's like a sage. That's pretty. This one is 223. This one is 225. This one is 301. This is 310, just one bag of 310, which is black. This is a gray, 317. I've got a couple of little drills that are escaping. Okay, and then this one is 352. It's like a peachy color. Can we see that one there? I think we can. All right, so let's move on to the next row. Oops, they stuck to my hands. This one is 400. This one is 402, mustard color. 414, gray. 437, it's like a peachy color, lighter peachy color. 452. 453. 597, that's pretty. And 598. So far, look at all those beautiful colors. This one is 613. That's my phone, sorry. This one is 632. This one is 645. 646. Gray, lots of grays. 647. 648. 720. It's like an orangey. 741, like a yellow orange. 743, that's a yellow. 758. Okay, next row. This is 814. This one is 819. I'm gonna have to look this up here because I can't see. 823. 824. More blues. 844. This is gray. Actually, that's like a brown gray. This is 902. 919. Does it look crooked? It looks major crooked, I think. 921. This one is 931. Another blue. Okay, I think we could do one more row. This is 932. Oops. 939. That's a blue. 948. 950. 975. 3033. 3064. 3371. It's like a chocolate brown. And this one is 3721. Okay, so I'm going to move these out, but as you can see, it's got a little bit of everything, which is very pretty, but lots of browns, lots of grays, lots of blues. Okay, so I'm going to move these away now, so because we need the space. Yep, yes we do. Almost finished with the regular drills. Okay, so this one is 3750. 3752. More blues. 3768. That's very pretty. 3770. 3776. Looks like a mustard. 3810. Another blue green. 3830. 3859. 3860. 3861. This is more like in the purple family, and this is like a light cocoa. This is 3865. This is like a off-white. So this is the last of the regular drills, okay? Very pretty. Lots of blues, lots of purples, and lots of light browns. Like a brown orange. All right, so then the last three are ABs. Okay, we're gonna look at these ABs. So this one is 349 AB. It's a red, like a red orange actually. This one is AB 712. Very pretty, like an ivory color. Very pretty. And this one is 742 AB. This is like a yellow orange. Okay, so it's very little ABs. Now remember, when you're working on a painting, if you want to add more special drills, you can. And with this one, oh my gosh, let your imagination go wild, because it's absolutely, yeah, there's a lot of places you could actually add more drills to it. All right, so let's see. Now we're going to figure out where these special drills belong. All right, so the 57, which is this one, let's put these aside, 349 AB. This one is actually a musical note. All right, oh, it's right here. It's around the flower. It's wherever you see this red color, right there, a little bit there, a little bit there, over here, over here, over there. Let's see. Oh, you have some on her lips, which is nice. Very subtle. they don't overdo it. Over here also. Oh, wow, this is going to be so pretty. A little bit over here, a little bit over here on the swirl. That's nice. It's like everywhere you see that round color, you also have it over here on the bird, down here, and up here. Let's see. Yep, all the way over here on the feather. Wow, it's just perfect. I think it's perfect. Okay, so this one is, it looks like a cross. And I already see it. Actually, let's see if it's on her face. Nope, it's not on her face. Is it on her neck? Beautiful long neck. Nope. It's right over here somewhere. Where did I just see it? It's over here. It's on the, I guess, the swirls. Like balls, but with swirls on them. Let's see, where else? No, not there. Not there. No, I thought that was it. Nope. Let's see. Maybe over here. Huh. All right, well, it looks like it's, most of it is going to be here because it's very little. But I'm sure it's sprinkled somewhere where I can't find it. But I'm sure it's because it's actually a little bit more than here, which is very pretty. Wow. Okay, and then the last AB, this one is a letter E, lowercase e. All right, so let's see. Let's start from the top. Okay, so you do have some here around the heart. I think it's a heart, but I could be wrong. On her eyelids, nope. On her lips, nope. I did see it before. Where is it? E. Is it here? No. See, this is the thing. Sometimes you can find them and sometimes you can't. Right over here. Hopefully you can see that right there. And probably on the wings of the bird, maybe. Yep, right here. It's all over here. And I'm trying to see if there's any up here. No, it looks like it's going to be mostly on the bird and sprinkled again, which is perfect, guys. I love that. I would definitely, you could actually add more special drills on the flowers and also maybe on the beads here. Definitely on the beads. She's stunning. I love her. I love her. Okay, so I hope you love this painting as much as I do. I'm sorry about the, trying to get the glare off of her, but maybe if I lift her like this, you can see her better. But look at that. She's stunning. Well, I hope you guys love her as much as I do and have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye-bye, guys.